What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a new video. First of all, we're going to talk about Twitter Blue, but secondly, I just want to say thanks for 100k subscribers. Your boy's verified. I haven't been posting for like a week because I took my wisdom teeth out. My jaw is still swollen. I've just been out here chilling every day trying to get by my energy. My energy might be low in this video, but yeah, that's just enough for me. You guys don't really care. We're here to talk about Twitter Blue and what it has to offer. I'm a huge user of Twitter. It's my most used social media app, and the one thing we wanted to see was an edit tweet button. So when you send out a tweet and you made a mistake, your tweet gained a lot of traction, you probably want to edit out a typo or something, right? And maybe show the edit history so no one knows you didn't completely change the tweet. Now, that's what we're looking for in Twitter Blue. We didn't expect we have to be paying for such a service, but Twitter didn't even give us that. They gave us an undo tweet button. So basically, it's a timer that runs, so you check, you proofread, then you could undo the tweet. It makes no sense, but I have it here on my phone. I decided to make this video because Twitter Blue is only available in Canada, where I'm at, and Australia. So jumping on to the app right here, it's in the settings when you slide over to the left, and let me show you guys the whole setup process. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just make sure you're on the latest version of Twitter, of course. And once you jump into the Twitter app, boom, you just swipe right over to the left, you see the Twitter Blue option, and whenever you guys have this available, this is how you'd subscribe. So as you can see, you can subscribe for $3.49 a month, which I'm assuming is Canadian, and then they show you the top features here like undo tweets, you could bookmark folders, reader mode. They also have small hidden features like changing the app icons and also the theme of your Twitter account. But before we jump into this and subscribe, I want to give a huge thanks to today's sponsor, NordPass. And you might be wondering what NordPass is, and it's something that I use every single day. Now, if you're like me and you always forget your passwords, or you're tired of clicking the reset my password button, then you should check out today's sponsor, NordPass. NordPass gets rid of all the fuss around password. It autofills forms, remembers an unlimited number of passwords, and even generates complex ones for you. So don't be that person that uses the same password for everything, because it's not safe. NordPass also recognizes suspicious websites so you don't accidentally reveal your sensitive information, and you can stay safe online. Now today you can get 50% off NordPass at www.nordpass.com/Shevon, or you could use my code Shevon at checkout. Alright, now we're back into Twitter Blue. Hit subscribe. Let's actually pay for this thing with my own money. I'm not sure how well this is gonna go. I might see if it's worth it or not, but why would I be paying for a bruh. Okay, so this is a hands-on review showing you guys exactly what it looks like. So yeah, we're in Twitter Blue. Well, we could do a survey. Nope. So Twitter Blue active, and you can see the options right here. We could undo tweets, so you could change the timing, different seconds and everything. Let me just put 30 seconds because I always need to undo a tweet. Let's just turn on all the options, or reply, threads, quote tweets. All right, so you could change the theme from blue to yellow, red, purple, orange, and green. That's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. Then we also have the app icon. So we could change the app icon. Nice. This is really nice. So why didn't have a full blackout? But they have this glitch one right here. So if we search for Twitter, as you can see, we got that glitched out Twitter app icon. That's pretty cool as well. Change this back to blue for now. Then yeah, we also have the bookmarks feature and reader mode. So reader mode allows us to just read threads. So if somebody has a thread, we could go into reader mode and read it. So like this one, let's see. Boom, hit reader mode, and now the thread is just like a long page. So if we turn off reader mode, you can see that it's broken up. That's not even a big feature. Okay, so the last useful feature that Twitter Blue has is folders. And let me just go into the light mode for you guys real quick. So you go into display, dark mode, turn that off. And yeah, this is what light mode looks like, just so you guys see it. I don't know why you'd use Twitter this bright, but a lot of people might want to know what it looks like. So here's bookmarks. You could create new bookmarks. You can name them in folders. So you can make this on an iPhone, You could call this food. You could call this, I don't know, gaming. Boom. So anytime you see some nice tweets, like, let's see. All right, so we have a pizza right here. You could just hit share, add to bookmark, add to folder, put that in the food folder, boom. So whenever you want to check out stuff, you have Top Tech Geek there. You could bookmark him, add to folder, put him into iPhone. But you guys get the idea. So when you go to bookmarks, instead of just having everything just all here, you could literally go into folders, which is kind of more organized, but I'm not sure how useful that really is. All right, so now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna try to make a dumb tweet and then fix it. This is why we're paying the big bucks, right? So today I was walking and I hit my head on a cloud. I'm not sure how I did it since I was driving on a tree. That sounds good. Let's go ahead and tweet that. Wait, I have to view the tweet. Oh, so it's sending. Let me just read this over. Today I was walking and I hit my head on a cloud. I'm not sure how I did it since I was driving on a tree. Doesn't sound bad. Send now. Oh, wait, I had a G right there. How do I edit that? I can't edit it. Isn't this what? All right, so that's it. That's what Twitter Blue has to offer. Personally, I still feel like Twitter should have implemented more things to make me want to pay for it. For example, removing ads. You know what I mean? That would have been something good, and an actual edit tweet button would have been amazing. But it's just the first batch of rollouts right now. It's still probably in beta mode, so I think there's a lot of things they could add in the future. So maybe if we get onto this Twitter Blue train, they would probably start listening to us and adding new features and stuff like that, or maybe even showing out a badge that, hey, this person has Twitter Blue, just to make us feel special. Like you can't really know if someone has Twitter Blue or not unless they tell you. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on Twitter Blue. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. What do you think? Is the price good or not? Let me know as well. But as always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.